Let's learn how to build a React application for production. We will transform your development build into an optimized, production-ready application. Let's compare a development build with a production build. A development build typically has a larger bundle size, includes source maps, enables hot reloading, and contains debug information. On the other hand, a production build is minified and optimized, uses code splitting, applies tree shaking, and is performance-focused. The command npm run build creates an optimized production build in the build folder. Let's explore what happens during the build process. First, code minification removes whitespace, comments, and shortens variable names. Next, asset optimization compresses images, fonts, and other static assets. Following that, code bundling combines multiple files into optimized bundles. Finally, tree shaking removes unused code and dead imports. Here's the typical structure of the build folder. The root directory contains index.html. Inside the static folder, you'll find 3 directories named CSS, JS, and Media. The build process is configured primarily within package.json. In the script section, the build script is set to React scripts build. Additionally, the homepage property is set to a dot. Set node environment to production and configure deployment paths. After the build process completes successfully, you'll see a summary including the file sizes of the main JavaScript file, main CSS file, and index.html file. A bundle analyzer is also available. As for performance metrics, the bundle size is approximately 85% smaller, load time is approximately 60% faster, and gzip compression is enabled. Now you are ready for deployment. Upload the build folder to your server, configure your web server, set up domain routing, and enable HTTP Secure, also known as HTTPS. Production build is complete. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.